Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I'm at the laundromat. Boy, they say it's 90 something. I bet it's 100. Yeah, I'm trying vertical now. So I got my stuff in here. I want to ask you, how much is it for you? A year ago it was like $225, but they got this way where you can double the. All right, here we go. Oh, $3. Normal hot. Econo wash, commercial washing. And I've told you before, these things here, you can't see it. They're made in Fort Washington, Pennsylvania. I used to work at Honeywell in Fort Washington, Pennsylvania. That was one of my many employers. Yeah. They laid me off. I remember the manager made the decision about who to lay off based on them being single or divorced. He had to lay off a certain number of people, and the way he made the decision was single and divorced. Yeah, don't want to let the family guys go out into the street. Yeah, just teaching you about America. Okay, I'm going to let it wash. Steve AB4L just having fun at the laundromat, saying, see you in 73.